Summer days, I still remember your name. Summer days, sweet fragrance still smells the same. Like better days, but just from days. Even though I... Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. So as you can tell by the title, today I'm finally doing my tutorial and little review on the Norvina Volume 4. The Norvina Collection Volume 4. So I went and did like this fairy inspired look. I think it's so pretty. Like I'm in love with this. So I did like this fairy inspired look. And just went ahead and did like a neutral lip, a really quick simple base. We all have already seen with the packaging. I love the pink and what the palette looks like. It does match my nails. I do have Volume 1, Volume 3. I don't have Volume 2, and now I have Volume 4. Volume 3 has always been my favorite one, but I don't know. I'm kind of... Volume 4 may be competing for its spot. So I'm not going to be talking long. I didn't do swatches, but because there's already videos over the internet. I'm like one of the last people to review this palette. It's just been sitting on my vanity because I haven't had the time. The pigment in these palettes are all consistent, great pigment. I love this eye look. Like I can't stop looking at myself in the mirror because I think it's so pretty, and it sucks that I have nowhere to go. So we're gonna go ahead. I'm not gonna ramble too much. We're gonna go ahead and get into this look, and I hope you guys enjoy, and I will see you all in the next one. Mwah.
So why is it so hard to let you go? To let you go. So why is it so hard to let you go? To let you go. So why is it so hard to let you go? Let you is it so hard to let you go?